Hello folks, back again with another English Fusee pocket watch. This watch here is a hunter style case, sterling silver. This is labeled Railway Timekeeper by H.O. Granger. The hallmarks in this watch show that it was made in around 1856. Again, this is a hunter style case. It's a very large case. This watch measures 60 millimeters in diameter. It's rare to see one this large. But again, it's a hunter case, key wind, key set, watch winds from the rear. You can see here in the back are the hallmarks. You have the sterling silver symbol, the lion's head for made in England. This is your date hallmark, which dates it to 1856. There are charts available. You can find these on the internet that shows these hallmarks and what they mean and how you can date a watch that has hallmarks. Very nice case. This case has got several swing outs on it. The bezel is pop this loose. Your crystal is held in a bezel, swings open. Your front lid's hinged, the back lid is hinged, and the movement is also pinned and hinged to the watch. Also has a dust cover. These dust covers, if you can move the little lock, slide these off. Here's your inside of your watch. You can see it's running. It has a gold balance wheel. This was made by Thomas Granger. So the movement and the case are both made by the same maker. That's kind of rare. Again, it's a Fusee movement. I don't know if you can see, this is the Fusee cone. It has a chain that wraps around that extends over to the main spring barrel, which is back in here. So when you wind these watches up, this is the winding stem. You're rotating in counterclockwise direction, which winds up the main barrel, the mainspring barrel, and delivers the power to the watch. Again, a nice example of a Fusee style pocket watch. I have several of these on eBay if you're interested, and on YouTube. Purchased most of these off eBay. You can find these occasionally at pretty good pricing, but you have to just be patient. I had to work on this watch, had to install a chain, crystal, I put a crystal in it, the hands needed some work. Again, 1856 Fusee English pocket watch. You can see here the crown and stem has got the hallmarks on it for sterling silver. This crown, the bow is actually pinned. This pin screws in and out. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, and I'll try to answer your questions. And hope you've enjoyed this example of a Fusee pocket watch. Look, come back often.